Lavina Nimbani, and I have completed my Bachelor's of Technology in Information and Communication Technology from Ahmedabad University, and I converted Narsi Munji Mumbai, a core as well as HR, but I wanted to opt for HR since the starting, so I opted for HR. In terms of B school, at that moment, I just knew that IIMs are good colleges, and I was not aware of the other good colleges that we have. So I just aimed to get into a good IIM. But my final aim was to get a managerial post in a multinational firm. So masters in business administration was a way to get to polish my skills and get the relevant skill sets that I lack to to achieve my final goal. So this school was just a medium. Apart from the good mentoring skills and the experienced faculties, I think the flexibility and Endeavor also provides backup sessions when we miss the lectures, and when we have exams in our college, it bifurcates batches into college wise, so we get breaks when we have exams. So and if we have some prior commitments, we can get a backup session. So these all things also helped a lot while in balancing the college academics as well as CAT and some social interactions as well. Phase-wise module starts with very basics, we have module 0, which have very basic fundamentals, and I feel fundamentals are a very important part while when you have to solve harder questions, because strong fundamentals, I think, are the key to solve tougher problems, and if you don't have strong fundamentals, it's no point moving further. They were pretty close, and they matched very well, and also Endeavor made sure that different test series have different type of difficulty levels and lengths of questions and the time you should take. So we were prepared for every sort of paper that could come up in the actual examination, and there was no sort of panic even if a section has come lengthy or it has come tough. So we were prepared for all sort of type of papers. The GDPI preparation at Endeavor was very well designed, because Endeavor made sure that the atmosphere completely matches a professional environment that we are going to have at the B school. So they were conducted pretty seriously, and with the exact environment I got into NM. So, and I would like to say that the competition at B schools is pretty fierce. So we should be well prepared. One unexpected question I got in my GDPI was they asked me if I had joined any classes to prepare for CAT, and I said I was an Endeavor. So they asked me if you have appeared for any mock GDPIs there, and I had. So they asked me what did those people ask you while you were in an interview. During the classes we used to have, I was in an early batch, so we had studied the basic fundamentals a long time back. So to revise those topics in small parts, it was very the online modules were very helpful, because they had small mini tests of each topic. So whichever topic you wanted to revise, you can go through that and give a small test and give solutions, and the YouTube videos for some particular topic if you miss out. So it was good. One would be keep yourself motivated and don't give up, because life at B school is pretty worth it. And whenever you need a motivation, go to your mentors. They'll motivate you well. Then second would be don't keep backlogs, and follow what the faculties are telling you to do, because they have far more experience than you have, and so follow them strictly and don't keep backlogs. Third could be study in groups. So peer learning helps a lot, and it keeps you motivated when there are a lot of people studying, appearing for the CM exam. One thing would be, firstly, I used to hate coming to Endeavor at this 7 to 9 timing, but once I was getting used to, it was very much normal, and I really mingled well with my mentor, Mruga ma'am, and some of the regular faculties that used to come and teach us. So it was very nice talking to them, and they were it never felt that they are my mentors, but it was like we were friends, and it was really nice. The one life lesson that I would take from my entire journey through Endeavor is that nothing is impossible if you are ambitious enough, and all you need is good guidance and a lot of spirit to work hard.